Today I'm creating a card using the Gina K Designs Delicate Butterflies Embossing Folder and Stencil set, and this is what it is. We did stenciling, sparkle heat embossing, all kinds of good stuff. So stay tuned. Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thanks so much for stopping by today. Today I bring you a project with the new Gina K Designs Delicate Butterflies Embossing Folder and die set. So you get the butterflies and the little bodies. And here's the embossing folder, and it is gorgeous, and I love it. And it also comes with a coordinating stencil, and it's 3 stencils. And if I believe this is sold out currently, so if it's something that you like, make sure you put your name on the wait list so that when it comes back in stock you can be notified right away. I do know with the embossing folders the lead time on that is 5 or 6 months, unfortunately, but make sure you put your name on there if that's something you would like. Well, today we are going to do some stenciling. I'll be using the Gina K Designs sticky mat, and you just take the cover off and then you can put the cardstock right on there and get stenciling. And we are going to be using the Lilac Trio for our stenciling, and then a Picket Fence Studios pouncer, if you've never seen one of these. You just pounce, 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 with embossing ink so that we can do the heat embossing. So let's get started with the stenciling. Alright, I'm going to go through the stenciling. I am using the Gina K Designs Light Lilac, Medium Lilac, and Dark Lilac Trio. The 3 stencils, and I also am using Wow Clear Sparkle Embossing Powder, a Picket Fence Pouncer, and the Simon Says Stamp Clear Embossing Ink, because I'm going to add a little sparkle to the edge of the butterflies. I will speed this up, put a little bit of tunes on, and join you on the other side. Alright, so I finished with the 3 layers, and then I wiped off this stencil. I'm kind of like letting it dry a little bit. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Simon Says Stamp Clear Embossing ink with a pouncer, and I'm going to pounce in the spots, and then we're going to add the sparkle on top of that, and then we will heat emboss. Alright, so now that we have the embossing powder on here, I'm going to use my heat tool and I'm going to melt the embossing powder. Because it is a sparkle embossing powder, it's best to heat from the back at first, so then it starts melting and the sparkles will embed into the embossing powder, whereas if you just go from the top, all of those sparkles will fly away and you won't get that cool sparkly effect after. So I'm going to turn this on. It's going to be a little bit loud, and we will heat from the back and then move to the front. All right, we're all set with the heat embossing, and check this out. So pretty. I just love it. I love how it turned out. And it adds, because of the embossing ink, it makes that even a little bit darker, so you get a little bit other shades in there too. So that is pretty awesome. All right, let me get this cleaned up and let's get making a card. All right, let's get this card put together. I did a little bit of work off camera. I cut out a bunch of these butterfly bodies, and that was out of the Gina K Designs Slate cardstock. And then I went ahead and glued them on the panel. Look how pretty that looks. I've added some Altenew 1-inch foam tape on the back of that. I created this happy birthday, and for that I used the new Courtyard Silhouettes, and it was a happy birthday down here. And then I used the die and I cut out the sentiment and then 2 other layers, and then I glued those all together. So it makes it more sturdy, and it's, when you're putting it over an embossed image, it really helps with the strength on that. Whereas if it was one sheet of paper, it could, you know, dip way down in there. So having it all together stacked adds a little bit of strength on that. And then for the inside of the card, I used this Spring Things butterfly, and I stamped that up here with the Medium Lilac so everything would match. And I have a matte layer of the Slate cardstock as well. And I will make sure to list everything in the description box that I used today and over on my blog at egidesigns.com. And I will put up top a QR code you can scan with your camera phone, and it will take you right over to the supply list. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of glue on the back of this so I have some wiggle time. And I'm sorry if the audio or visual is doing crazy things. My computer is acting up very badly, even though I've gotten it fixed 2 times now, so I apologize. It's making me a little bit cuckoo bears. But anyway, we will get there. We will get there. All right. Alright, we'll get that onto the card base. I just have a regular A2, so it's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, and this is Gina K Heavyweight White. Okay. Let's get on this sentiment. Actually, we'll put the inside in first. I'm going to put that in with temporary adhesive. So if I mess up when I write it, I can take it right out without messing up my card. Okay, and then we will get this sentiment on. Let me get my tweezers. Okay, let's see. It's hard to tell. I don't want to cover up too much of the butterflies. Alright, we'll let that set up for a second. Alright, we are done with our beautiful card. Look at that shine. So we used the Lilac Trio to do the stenciling, and then we did the heat embossing on the edge there. And we have a triple layer I don't know if you can see it, but the sentiment, we have the butterfly bodies and a beautiful inside with a butterfly stamp. Absolutely gorgeous. I think I love, love, love this new embossing folder and stencil set. It is one of my favorites, I think. Anyway, so if you have enjoyed this video today, I would love it if you could hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. It really goes a long way in helping me get my content out there to other crafters just like you. I will put on the end screen my card making playlist, and I will also put there my Gina K unboxing playlist, so you can see a lot of these were in the recent kit, so you can check that out there. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye bye.